Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Before we get started, I just want to say I'm sorry for having been away for so long, but I've been recovering from the COVID for the last few weeks. Today's idiom is dead wood. Dead wood refers to a person who is not contributing in the workplace. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Our company has a lot of dead wood. It's time for a downsizing, or shall I say a right-sizing. The boss's son is dead wood, but nepotism trumps all. Okay, let me give you some other vocabulary. Dead wood is equal to dead weight. Dead weight was a previous idiom. A person who's not contributing in the workplace. Downsizing is a reduction of staff and or real estate. Real estate would be property, land, etc. Right-sizing would be converting something to an appropriate or optimal size. Nepotism is the practice of using your influence to help family. Similar to nepotism is cronyism, the practice of using your influence to help friends. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.